In this video, let's set up the animation clip for this new attack character state. Create a new animation clip. Drag the animation clip to the player game object to assign the animation. Open the animation window with the new animation clip selected. Select all the placeholder sprites for the animation and drag them over the animation window. Then adjust the timing of the animation like so. That's it for setting up the animation clip. We just want to make sure the animation isn't set to be looping. That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you find these videos helpful. Thanks for watching.